The compensation plan is absolutely incredible. Coach Ken, who is a master at compensation plans, has created an amazing platform for all of us to have a lucrative income. The main feature that we are going to be talking about today is the Founders Club, which is only open to 1,000 people. And we believe that in the first week, this is going to be gobbled up. So to be a part of the Founders Club, you need to have your position, have 3 people below that. So 3 people signing directly with your link. And then below those 3, each one has to have 3 people signed up as well. So a total of 12 people in your organization. And your position has to be the VIP package, which is $9.95. And you have to have a minimum of $600 trading in your exchange account. And all the people of the 12 that are below you, they each have to be on the minimum $250 package, and they all have to be trading $600 in their exchange account. With this structure, you qualify for one of the 1,000 shares in the Founders Club. So the significance of this is that as a founder, member of the Founders Club, you will participate. You will earn there's a 5% pool that the company's going to allocate for all the profits, and you'll be able to earn 1 share of that 1,000 that you're allocated in the founders pool. So this is the residual income for life. All you have to do is maintain that structure. Once again, it's your position at the $9.95 bot package, and then 3 directly below you that has to be at least the $250 package. And then those 3 below you have to have 3 below them. And that qualifies you for the Founders Club. Beyond that, if you do not build beyond that, you're still always going to be a part of the Founders Club as long as that structure is maintained. So that's very important. There's also different ranks that you're going to be able to qualify for. Coach Ken is just revising the compensation plan slightly so that it's more user-friendly for people that are leaders. We're going to be able to build wide as well as build below that. But the main thing about this bot is that you do not have to build a team. The product itself is amazing, so that you can introduce this to people and they do not have to recruit. They do not have to show this to anybody else. This is a great investment vehicle. We are expecting 5-20% a month based on the default strategy it's already built in. So this is something that people can add to their portfolios. Another feature is that you can sign up for free and you can build a team if you'd like, and you do not have to trade. And then while you build your team, you're going to start earning into your account. And then once you have enough money in your account, you can actually use those funds to trade with. So anyone can sign up for free and build an organization. And then from the proceeds that you're going to receive on the residual income, you can actually start trading and then upgrade your account. So this is great for everyone to sign up with and join anywhere in the world. We're giving this opportunity so that we reach out to every single person in the world that has access to the internet and access to exchange accounts. So, oh, there it is. Whose screen is that? Breezy? Perfect. You want to explain some of that, Breezy?
Sure, of course. So I think honestly, it's going to be more like 24 hours that it's going to be gone, because people are lining themselves up to be able to participate and become part of the 1,000 founders. So as it is explained here, the first 1,000 people who become the super affiliate, and it's going to be a 3x3x3. So the first person, 3x3. You will recruit 3 people that have to have a novice package. So that is going to be the $250, and at least trading is $600. And then those 3 people have to have 3 people each. So a total of 12. And so the person who wants to become this founder is going to have to buy the VIP $9.95, what Peter said. You can start with the free and upgrade later, but I'm telling you right now, it is going to be gone. I personally believe, I would say even 12 hours, but we'll just say 24. And they can't be like fake accounts. Like you can't say, oh, I'm gonna put myself 3 times and then have other people under you. I'm pretty sure with the flow that we're seeing of how many people have already signed up for an account, that they're actually going to have the number of people to be able to do that. So it's really going to become first come, first serve. So the second that the bot is activated to actually start trading, there's going to be a tally in the background where the developers will see who has had it first. And it's literally going to be like within little by little that someone's not going to be able to claim that that one of the 1,000 spots. But this is what it looks like. And
yeah, and if you do get your directs as a founder, you'll get an extra share into that 1,000 people pool. So
thank you, because for a second I was like, what am I looking at? But yes, that's it.
Yeah, so for example, the middle person there, they've got the same structure as you, and as long as the package is $9.95 for that person, they will qualify for a share in the Founders Club, and you will get an extra share. So get your directs to get that Founders Club share, and then you'll get an extra one for each one of those. Which
hey,
is
Peter. Hey, it's
yes.
Coach.
Hey, Coach, come on in.
Hey, the corporate made a decision today that they wanted only 1 share per person. So that second tier has been eliminated.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah, so it's just a 3 by 3.
Okay. So I think that's better. I think that gives us more people in the Founders Club, which is a better situation for all of us.
That's what they wanted to do. And wanted just to, have it set up so that more people could come in and everybody would get 1 share, because it's going to be very lucrative as we grow. That's going to be, that in all likelihood, will be able to retire those 1,000 people.
Amazing, Coach. And what other changes are you making, or are we close to finalizing the comp plan?
Yeah, we are close. I think it's. Did you guys go over the changes at all?
No.
Okay. Yeah, we are going to make it easier for everybody. The 3 by 3 and the 5 by 3, we are going to eliminate that. We had a comp plan consultant talk to us, and he recommended actually what I first started out with. It was almost mirrored what I was recommending at the very, very beginning. And but it's going to be very, very simple. All you have to do is bring in 1 person, and each additional person that you bring in will open up 2 more levels. So you bring in 10 people, and all 20 levels are opened up to you. What the comp plan expert said was building out the 3 by 3 and 5 by 3 was actually a lot more difficult than most people realized. He said it looks great on paper, but it's a lot more difficult to build out an organization that way. So we wanted to keep it as easy as possible. When he made that suggestion, I understood what he was saying, but I didn't understand it to the level he knew about it. And so he talked to me about a couple of other companies that were doing something very similar in a unilevel, and he said they just they got stuck. It bottlenecked everybody. So we wanted to make sure that everything that we do is as simple as possible. This change just came about while we were over there. Somebody reached out to me in the group that is a big builder who's actually one of the national directors. He had this other guy on the phone that he wanted me to speak with, and that's how that came about. So I thank God that we made this decision before we opened, because we're not open, and so we can make changes like this once we're open. I don't think there's going to be any changes other than making it better. So
awesome. So Ken, so you're saying that once you sign up somebody direct to you, it's going to open up 2 levels of compensation. So the person you sign up.
The first person you'll get paid on that person, and you'll get paid the check match. So,
Okay.
but if you bring a second person in, that'll open up the first 2 levels. Then a third person will open up. No, I think you are right. I have to go over that with Muhammad, but
Okay.
I think he said you bring in your second person, and it basically what it is though, and I'll look at it again, but for every person you bring in, it opens up 2 levels. But I think he said in order to open up the second level, you have to bring your second person in.
Okay. And when you say bring in a person, is that
because it might have been how I had talked to Muhammad about it. It was for every person you bring in, it opens up 2 levels.
right?
So
And
10 people opens up all 20.
And these people have to be on a paid package, correct?
Yes, they all have to be paid. To
Okay.
open up those levels, they do have to be either novice or VIP.
Okay, got it.
Which
Awesome.
I don't think that's going to be an issue at all. We want to open this up for everybody, and so we offered a free bot, and it's a fully functional free bot. But you can only trade 2 coins with the free version. So the paid version, you can open up these names might change by the opening, but the novice version is 250. You get to trade 10 coins on 2 separate exchanges, which gives an individual a lot more freedom. It's actually like having 20 bots, because you've got 2 exchanges and 10 coins that you can
Right.
So it's really a powerful version. And then the VIP, all of the coins and 5 exchanges. So once a person starts to become more familiar with this space and they want to venture out into maybe diversifying with more exchanges, they'll have all of that with the VIP.
Oh, awesome.
And the VIP will get concierge customer service for sign up, and also they'll have front of the line privileges for all support calls that are being done in the different countries that we're going to be doing support calls in.
Amazing. So exciting, Coach Ken. I mean, everybody I talked to is really excited about getting started and getting their teams ready. So that's why we're doing these calls, to get you guys more informed. And you heard it from Coach Ken. Changes are being made so that it's better for all of us as we get ready for the launch. If you have any questions, Dynasty Builder, you want to come in? Can you tell us your name as well?
Yes, sir. Michael Southwood. Thank you.
Hi, Michael.
What I want to say, obviously, is as Coach just said, everybody realized the main thing is, my opinion, most importantly, the trading works. This is the beginning of the company. They're going to have some hiccups. We're going to all work through that part together. But realize where you sit right now. We're here 2-3 weeks before this even goes live. So take advantage of this. Press the issue. I'm sure as we grow the company, there's going to be other pools and everything. But everybody here right now, make sure you get the founders pool. So you're not saying, I wish I had done that. You're here.